Hello everyone. So this is the RoutePro machine. It's a CNC router which is used for lightweight routing operations. Like it can do routing on wooden materials, aluminium materials also. It can do milling operations on light metals. So we have made it here keeping an idea of manufacturing desktop CNC machines. So this can be used for lightweight application or small applications where the bed size or the working area is not too large. So this is having the area of 400 mm by 700 mm and it's operated using a Gerber controller, and the cost is relatively very less. So this can be accommodated easily by small scale manufacturers or small industries, those who do not need bigger size machines. So they can easily buy these in very low cost, and it will cost around 40 to 50,000 only. So they can easily accommodate for their different milling operations or routing operations. So we are fabricating this, designing all the components here, keeping in mind that they may need to spare parts or spare products at the later stages also. So each and everything is designed here, fabricated here, and all the service will be given.